Sorry. What are we s***ing today? I have some juice in my eye. Also, I broke this chair already. I should probably swap it out. I didn't think I gained that much weight. These are very flimsy chairs. I hate them so much. Pardon me, I'm just flirting with a man on a dating app. Ugh. He wants to arrange a date. I don't do that often. What are we making today? A grilled shrimp po' boy. I don't even know if I have all the ingredients that I'm gonna want, but we're just gonna improvise with whatever the is in my refrigerator. I did buy bread. I remember that. But the sauce? I may not have all of the ingredients for the sauce. We'll figure it the out, okay? I was about to do the whole ingredients thing, but none of my ingredients are on the table. I'm confused. I've been on vacation for so long, I forget how to do this. Ingredients. Or just some of them. I was too lazy to get everything out. I'll just do it as I go. Okay. It's another damn recipe where I have to peel shrimp tails off. I don't feel like eating my tails right now, but I usually eat my tails. This smells a day old. Oh, wow. So I've been meeting a lot of people lately, and I have to kind of explain what I do. And it's just so funny to say that the internet content I make is just me getting and cooking. Oh, that's so funny. I mean, I know it's more than that, but it's just funny. This shrimp is probably gonna make me myself. I have a feeling. Sometimes cooking is just a pain in the motherfucking ass. How much longer is this gonna take? Are you still watching me? I just wanna go to bed. We're just gonna... I have no real plan for these seasonings, but pick out a good combo. Onion powder, some smoked paprika, just a little bit of cayenne, just a little bit. I don't have garlic powder, but I do have black garlic. Pepper, some chili powder, good enough. Olive oil, mix it, and let it sit. I'm just walking around wondering what's next. Sauce. Sauce. This is where I really don't have a plan. We're just gonna wing it. I only have Kewpie mayo. It is the superior mayo. Oh, I hate the way it looks. Ketchup, some hot sauce. I feel like garlic should be involved. Is it supposed to be that color? I love mincing garlic, it's so fun. Mix it, salt, and smoked paprika. I think we're good. Now what? Shrimp, we're cooking the shrimp. My mouth is pretty dry. I just realized this had a cap. Anyway, we're spreading some more mayo on the inside of the bun before we toast it, because that's how you toast a motherfucking sandwich. I left my refrigerator open. Toast the bread. I think the bread is a little stale. I had an itch that whole time that I was loading shrimp into the pan. Oh, that felt good. I'm still texting this boy from Hinge. Is he gonna suck or is he gonna be normal? We'll see. I almost burned the bread, but I have not. It just got a little crispy on the side. Phone's gotta eat. Stale bread and day-old shrimp. God damn it. This bread gives me the hiccups. The sauce is pretty good. It could use some lemon juice, but not bad. I'm making a mess.